Hello everyone, welcome back. So in the last lecture, we learned how to create a web API project, and also we learned how we can configure Swagger for the API documentation, and also we tested our API using Postman. Actually, that is a basic API setup. So now in this lecture, I am going to tell about project structure. So before we move on, let's take a quick look at the structure of the project that was generated for us. When we create a new web API project, .NET generates a few important files and folders. Let me explain what they do. So the first one is program.cs. So this is the file where our application should start executing. So means this is the entry point of your application. In .NET 8, minimal hosting is used and everything like middleware, services, etc. is configured here. And also we can configure our HTTP request pipeline and so on. So coming to app settings.json, this is where we store configuration data like connection strings and JWT settings, and also we can add some custom settings also. And coming to controllers, this is a folder where our API endpoints are there. So in this, if I open controllers, this folder contains our API endpoints. Right now, there is a sample weather forecast controller. See, this is sample weather forecast controller which was created automatically when we created our project. So we will replace this one with our own controllers like task controller. In later videos, we will replace this. But for now, we have to know where our controllers live. And coming to properties, so in these properties, actually properties and .cs proj file. So if we click on here, it will open our .cs proj file. These handle app metadata and dependencies. You usually don't touch them unless you are changing project settings. So usually whenever we added dependencies using packet manager, nugget package manager, or else whenever we are adding some libraries, so those all will be added to our .cs proj file. Actually, this is the entire project. Here we are having project settings, the settings related to project. If we click on here, then this file will open. So here we can able to see what are the packages we included in our project, and also see, this is a target framework. So currently we are using .NET 8.0. So target framework, it refers to target framework refers to the version currently which we are using, the .NET version. And also, yeah, these are related to these settings are related to project settings. And this is for now. So I hope you understand the project structure. So in the upcoming lessons, we will discuss more. Thank you.